Hello, I'm Dr. Sharon Rasquinha. So today I'm here on the occasion of the World Menstrual Hygiene Day to talk about menstrual cup. So why is 28th May celebrated as the World Menstrual Hygiene Day? So 28 designates as the cycle that a woman has a 28-day cycle, an average. And 5 is the number of days a woman menstruates in a month, an average 4 to 5 days, so 5. So the 5th month, so that is the 28th May, therefore is celebrated as the World Menstrual Hygiene Day. So today, as a part of the menstrual hygiene, I'm going to talk about menstrual cups. Menstrual cup is a sanitary product, just like your pad or a tampon, which collects blood from your vagina. So menstrual cup usually has two parts, that is the cup and a step. But there are some of the products which do not have a step, but that doesn't matter. The purpose is served even without the step. So why should we use this menstrual cup? The first thing is the blood that is collected in the menstrual cup is not subjected to the environment outside or the air outside. Therefore, there is no odor. There is no smell like if you keep it for a long time. There is no itching. So that's actually a good advantage. Second thing, it is if you use a menstrual cup, the cup is snugly fit inside. So there is no blood coming outside. Therefore, the women or the girls can go swimming, they can go hiking, they can go yoga, or you can go to your gym. So that's actually a very good advantage. Third thing, it is eco-friendly. You don't have to buy and stock up pads like every month. You can just use one menstrual cup. And this one cup will last around 8 to 10 years. So on average, a woman, during her menstruation, will have around 400 to 500 cycles in her lifetime. So she might be using around 17 to 20 pads maybe a month. So around 5,000 to 6,000 pads the entire her life cycle, her menstrual cycle. So each pad takes around 400 to 500 years to get decomposed in the environment. So just see what damage are we causing to our environment. So that is an advantage of this menstrual cup. You can just buy one cup and you can use it for 8 to 10 years if you use it very carefully. You don't have to keep buying it and you don't have to keep changing these like in every menstrual cycle. As long as you keep it sterilized and keep it well, it will last you around 8 years minimum. Now, how do you buy this? Okay, there are 3 different sizes that are available. We have small, we have medium and the large size. Small size is meant for girls who are not sexually active, and medium for girls or women who are sexually active but have not delivered vaginally, and a large size which you get is for women who are sexually active and delivered vaginally. How do you use it? First, you need to sterilize it. First, once you get this, initially just before you begin your menstrual cycle, just boil a water in a pot or a pan. So as the water boils, just put this inside it, your boiling water, and boil it for around 5 to 7 minutes. Then switch off the gas, wait till the water cools down, wash your hands properly with normal soap and water, then pick up your menstrual cup and then use it. How do you use it or how do you insert it? There are 3 techniques how you can insert it. You just cannot insert this menstrual cup inside your vagina like that. So it needs to be pressed or compressed and folded and then put inside. So first technique is where you press down like this and you bend it. This is called the C technique or the U, C or a U. And consider this as your vagina. You just put it inside. As you put it, just snugly fit it and it will therefore open up like this. Your vagina is a very flexible tissue. So once you insert something, it will slowly accommodate it to keep it in its position. Don't insert it too high up to the cervix where you get irritated and you feel uncomfortable. And do not keep it very low so that the blood leaks out. It should be snugly and properly fitted in. You have another technique, that is a punch down technique, where you just punch it down like this and then slowly just put it inside. Okay, That is the punch down technique. Then you have the 7, where you press it like this and use it like a 7. So some women, most of the women prefer this technique because as you go in, this is a smaller circumference, it just goes in, and as you slowly put in, it gets inside like this. Now for example, I have this beaker. If you put it down like this, just think this is your vagina and you just insert it like that. Now it's not fit in properly, so you can feel when you go round like this, you feel that it's not round and there's a tendency for the blood to leak. So just adjust it mildly around the tip and you can see now it's proper. You can feel the round, it's round like this and it will be there. So you can keep it like for 6 to 12 hours. Maybe initially when you start off, you can use it for 6 hours and then use it for 12 hours. Now how do you insert it? Now you can go to the washroom. Either you can sit on the commode or you can keep your leg just above the commode and then push it down and insert it inside. See that it is not too high nor too low, so that it doesn't irritate inside, if it's gone too high, and not too low so that your blood doesn't leak out. So once you use it, maybe after 6 hours you can come to the washroom. So once you want to remove it, you just have to give a punch here at the end. Sit on the commode, just push it down, create that pressure or the suction, and then slowly pull it out like this, snug it out. Then you get your blood, you can empty it in your commode, wash it, just normal water. If you have a mild soap, just wash it, or just water will also sufficient, and then you can insert it back. So this menstrual cup is easily available either in the supermarkets or your pharmacy or available online. A good menstrual cup will cost you around maybe anywhere between 500 to 1,000 bucks. So that's it. That's only your investment, and you can use it without any problem for 8 to 12 years, and then you can discard it. And how do you store it? So once you finish your menstrual cycle, you can wash your hands and then remove it. Clean it with soap and water, mild soap and water, dry it properly. You get it in pouches like this, dry it up, just put it inside this pouch, close the pouch and then keep it. You can carry it in your purse anytime wherever you go because it's small, it doesn't occupy a lot of space. So let's all move to a greener menstruation. It's called the green menstruation. Let's be eco-friendly and use menstrual cups. Thank you.